Riding on his bike with a heart full of dreams, chasing down a view, or so it seems, through forest path where the shadows play, looking for a glimpse at the end of the day. Past the bridge to Oslo, under the bright blue sky, rolling past the golf club as the eagles fly high. Bogstad's bathing ground, horses in the glade, a church in the distance that calls me to faith. Oh, the journey is long, but the sights are divine. 35 kilometers, following the signs. Every twist and turn, adventures just around. Quest for the view, it's the beauty that I found. Past a general store, the locals glance with a grin, trying to befriend sheep. Where's the fun to begin? My Neo 2 filming, capturing the ride. Laughter in the air, a companion by my side. The forest opens wide, but choices seem unclear. Yet a blue-marked path appears, grandeur drawing near. Passing anthills scattered, breaking dry twigs, in search of the view where the landscape digs. Oh, the journey is long, but the sights are divine. 35 kilometers, following the signs. Every twist and turn, adventures just around. Quest for the view, it's the beauty that I found. Hiking on a path unknown to me, what will I around the next corner see? Is it the right path or not? Hunting is active now, hoping not to get shot. Coming to an area with only tree stubs and grass. Should I go on or should I say pass? I stop to look at the view, and I don't have to follow a cue. Oh, the journey is long, but the sights are divine. 35 kilometers, following the signs. Every twist and turn, adventures just around. Quest for the view, it's the beauty that I found. Veering off course, but my heart knows the way. No faint trail too daunting, I'll not go astray. Hearing the sheep bleat, will they guide me through? The path turns to whispers, but I'll push on too. Found a viewpoint, climbed high, but what a tease. A stone stood alone, no breath of the breeze, but my drone lifts above, capturing sights unseen. With every journey my heart's keen. seem to glean. Oh, the journey is long, but the sights are divine. 35 kilometers, following the signs. Every twist and turn, adventures just around. Quest for the view, it's the beauty that I found. Back where the view's mediocre and plain, but the joy of the ride is where I'll remain, with memories of laughter and paths yet to roam. My quest for the view leads me back